Get out of there.
Welcome to another episode of the Ring Cam Files. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so our videos can be seen by more people. Thank you.
Get out of here before I call the cops on you!
Get out of there.
White Plains, New York.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
The Ring notification doing its job. Eastchester, New York. It's around 3 a.m. and these guys are looking to get into trouble. Queens, New York.
What's that supposed to be? What's that?
White Plains, New York. This woman just discovered her next-door neighbor has a camera pointing towards her daughter's bathroom. Be aware of your surroundings. You never know who is creeping around.
Okay, this is my third bedroom. Changing room, as you could see, inside the window. Well, obviously it's lit up. Inside my house. You go, pervert.
Staten Island, New York. White Plains, New York. Staten Island, New York. Long Island, New York. Long Island, New York. We got Grandma trying doors early this morning. Carmichael, California. This guy is wasted. Fresh Meadows, New York. Porch Pirate is making her rounds bright and early. Looks like she is organizing all the packages she stole so they can fit in her bag. Why we leaving packages out for these thieves to steal? It's like Christmas every day for them, and you are Santa Claus. West Miami, Florida. West Miami, Florida. She is recording these people who scammed her grandpa out of $1,500 for fake jewelry. Scammers love to prey on the elderly. Miami, Florida. Miami, Florida. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and help us get to 10K.